In this video, we'll discuss the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function using UnifyML SQL. We will run the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function algorithm through a UnifyML query. Here, we execute the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function using UnifyML SQL. Let's now look at the simple Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function. Scikit-Learn Show Outliers will display any outliers in the data. If there are outliers, this function will show them. Start by specifying the input table and the input columns that you want to analyze. If there are any outliers in those columns, they will be displayed. There are additional parameters for the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function that you can explore in the UnifyML documentation. Partition column. Specify the column on which you want to perform the partition. Input data types. If you need to change the data types of the input columns, use the input data types parameter. Parallelism. Configure parallel processing settings. Input cache ID. If your data has been previously saved in the cache, you don't need to mention the input table. Instead, use the input cache ID. Bytes per chunk. Define the byte size per chunk. These are the key input arguments for the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function. Adjust the parameters based on the requirements for detecting outliers in your data. Run the query, and it will execute on the back end of the UnifyML server. The output will show the input columns and any outliers for each column. With this method, you can easily identify outliers in your dataset using the Scikit-Learn Show Outliers function. Thank you for watching this video.